get your black ass in court. Who cares about what your son's got going on? Even though your son is the one the whole case is about. Get your black ass in court or I'm going to have you arrested. Well, as a dad that likes to do what's best for his son, I went to my son's homecoming. Magistrate O'Connor puts out an arrest warrant. So effectively, as a father, I was arrested for going to my son's homecoming. I was arrested for going to my son's homecoming. And if anyone knows my videos, you can go back to my very first video. My ex-wife robbed me at gunpoint and was let off 100%. But I go to jail for going to my son's homecoming. So today, I have to go to court and prove that I paid some money, and I have to basically argue why I didn't show up. It's a contempt hearing. And my argument's going to be, I thought what the best thing for my son was to be with my son, not in court, arguing about frivolous shit that's already been not just paid, but adjudicated. On top of that, my ex-wife's hack attorney has filed another motion to take my rights to make decisions for my son. A 14-year-old who makes pretty much his own decisions, guided by his parents. There's bail money hooked to me going to jail. So the judge, I don't know if she can keep my bail money. Any other judge would have to give me my bail money back because I came to court. We'll see if I get my bail money back. It's almost $3,000. I had to post a $2,700 bond in cash to get out, by the way. And the court is holding that $2,700 over my head right now. That's why I have to go to court today. I guess what the point of the video is, guys, it's just not fair in family court. If you're a man in America in family court, you're probably being mistreated in some fashion. And I don't know when it's going to take, what it's going to take to change it. I don't want my sons to have to go through this. I've been divorced 4 years next month, March. Yeah, March of 2022, our divorce was final. It's March of 2026, and I'm still in court because of my bitter ex-wife. She's had 5 divorce attorneys, guys. What she does is she just hops from attorney to attorney. So she gets a new attorney and doesn't pay the last attorney. She uses the last attorney's money to pay the attorney on the next attorney, the retainer on the next attorney. She's had 5 or 6. With her criminal defense attorney, I bet she's had 7 attorneys in 4 years. All the money that's been wasted on attorneys, we could have sent our son to the best private school in the country. And in the end, after all these court hearings and all this bullshit, my son gets nothing out of it. Today, I'm going to ask the judge, hey, if you're not going to give me my money back, could you at least allocate it to my son's braces? Can my son get something out of this? Anyway, guys, I mean, I even got audio recordings of my ex-wife throwing him out of the house. She throws him out of the house whenever they get into an argument. She's done it 3 times since August. Ever since he chose to go to the high school by me, she's mistreated him. The judge told us to go to a counselor. I went to the counselor. I showed the counselor the abuse. He's a mandatory reporter. He didn't report it to anyone. He didn't call CPS. He didn't call the judge. He didn't call anyone when I played the recording of my ex-wife kicking my son out of the house because he sent me the recording because I'm the parent he trusts. Just don't get married, guys. Just don't do it. Don't do it. If you're going to get married, fuck the prenuptial plan. Get the parenting plan signed. Before she gets pregnant, have her sign a parenting plan that's 50-50. So when you do get divorced, she's going to try to take your kids. 85% of all litigation with divorces is done over the children in some fashion. So if you can get that settled before the kid's born, you're saving yourself a lot of litigation. But my answer is just don't have kids. Until you see women complaining about family court, don't have children. I got to get in the gym. You guys have a good day. It's Friday, at least, sunny. Thanks for listening.